If you hate your nose, then why on earth are you drawing more attention to it? People think that contouring is hiding something, and that's not true. Let me just say, if the goal is to make your nose look smaller, painting 2 brown lines down the side of your nose isn't fooling anyone. It's like putting hazard lights on your face. Attention everyone, here's the thing I hate. And the best part, you spend 10 minutes blending it, then go outside, the sun hits you, guess what? Stripes. Also, everyone does the same thing. 2 lines and sometimes the tip. And who doesn't love the tip? Also, did you know that there are 7 different nose types and every nose requires a different application? Contour should be invisible. It should be so subtle that no one, not even you, can see it. It's not drag. So, here's a thought. Maybe your nose is fine. Maybe it's great. Maybe stop shading it like you're mapping out a crime scene. Just powder it, move on, and let your nose live its best, uncontoured life. Thank you for your time. Subscribe. If you don't, I'll start a podcast and no one wants that.